We are looking at 4 different ways of assembling string components into a single string. In the previous 2 videos we looked at concatenation and string.format. In this lesson I want to look at interpolation. Now string.format is sort of a type of interpolation, but in 2017 Microsoft introduced the method I call interpolation into Visual Basic. So 2017 corresponds to what we see in other languages such as C# and Python and Java. And it's very similar to string.format, but rather than specifying our variables after our literal string and using placeholders, we put the variable names inside the placeholders. A little bit cleaner, a little bit less code, a little more readable. So today I use interpolation for most string assembly. Though I've used concatenation for decades, it's still firmly entrenched in me, and so you will see me still do things with concatenation. Here's our same project. Enter the first name and favorite sport. Click Assemble String. We see a message box in the concatenated string we looked at 2 videos ago. Then the message box using the string.format from the last lesson. And here then is our interpolated string with the prompt generated through interpolation, the exact same prompt in all 3. Let's take a look at how we do interpolation in VB. So how interpolation works is we have a literal string, and rather than a numeric placeholder, we can put our variable name or a constant name, or it could be a property such as the text property of a text box. Those are all string containers. So any string container inside the brackets as part of our literal string. We precede that literal string with a $sign. That $sign is the indicator to Visual Basic that, oh, you want me to interpolate this string using the values inside the brackets. Let's take a look at how this was done in our project here. We see the concatenation in the string format. Here's string interpolation. So interp equals $sign. My name is, and in brackets, FN, and my favorite sport, in brackets, is sport. Then we use interp as our prompt for the message box. Really nice, clean code, very readable. Again, don't have to worry about the spacing or the punctuation of my string. It's all built in. In the next lesson, we'll look at using String Builder. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Programming Practicum playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos I create, you can click my picture in the top right to subscribe to the channel.